I know you have prepared for this for quite a while.
Yes, and she is really a good gift as she made our relationship much stronger.
Thank you, Leslie.
Yun lang, malaking part yung faith namin sa isa't isa. Hanggang sa pagpapalaki kay Tilly hanggang ngayon, it's really good na
so you just need to greet Killian happy birthday. But of course, the longest, okay? Kung sino ang magsasabi ay baka hindi siya birthday, but the longest, okay? So you have to breathe in first, breathe in. Breathe out. Ready na lang. Okay, isa pa, breathe in. Breathe out. Alright, are you ready? 5. Beautiful. And you are? Rafa. How old are you, dear? 7. 7. We have Riona, Rafa, and what's your name? 30. 30. How old are you? 4. Alright, 4. And you are? Kitty?
Teddy.
Teddy, how old are you, Teddy?
3.
3. Oh, wait. Riona, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Let's give it up for Riona! 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Mom.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! Good job, Riona. You just have to say happy birthday, Killian. Okay? And your tita and tito will count. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, 4. And the counting shot.
Sabi ng OB ko, hindi ka ba ganun naman, anak? Pero ang thankful ko lang sa OB ko kasi pasensyosa siya. Sabi na, let's wait for the baby to decide kung kailan nito. And thanks God naman, up to now, si Davi is a healthy boy. Lahat ng vaccine niya, wala naman kami naging problem. And yun nga, dahil siguro sa paningawan.
Ako natin dinidicate yung mga bata ngayon, just like Smile. It's an acknowledgement na we honor God in our lives. Okay? Kaya po yung sa dedication, hindi naman talaga yung work ng minister. Yun po talaga yung act ng parents ni Melchor at saka ni Anerdy to dedicate my own back to the Lord. And that's what we're going to do in a few minutes.